think Barclay's having an epileptic fit.
Yes, all right. See, I just wanted some love. I just wanted some love. Oh, that's a boy. I know. Look.
Everyone's getting kissed except me.
Oh, he's
All right.
all right.
And look at this.
Come here, Bailey. He's out of the way.
Uh-oh.
A minute. Come here, Bailey. Come on, bud.
Nope, where's Bailey gone? He's got to sit down here, and he's decided, oh yes, look, hang on a minute. There we go. Bailey likes his tummy rubbed and his back rubbed. All right, that's it. It's movie time.
Come here, Bailey.
Where's Bailey gone? He keeps
Come
running.
on, Bailey. Get up here.
Bailey's just not. No, he's satisfied sitting there. Looks.
I think it's because we're
Well, movie time.